In this section, we'll discuss about parallel structure with paired conjunctions or correlative conjunctions. What is paired conjunctions or correlative conjunctions? Let's see the example. In this example, I have two sentences. The research project will take time. The research project will take money. So, how should we combine them? Can we do this? The research project will take time and money. Yes, you can do this. But if we should use the paired conjunctions or correlative conjunctions, what conjunctions that we should use? Let's see here. The research project will take time, money. What conjunctions that we should use? Both time and money. So instead of only using and, if we use both and, then it will give more emphasis on in our sentence. Let's see another example. I will not take chemistry next quarter, and I will not take physics next quarter. How should we combine them? I will take chemistry, physics next quarter. What correlative conjunctions or paired conjunctions that we should use? For a negative sentence like this, we cannot use both, but we can use either. So, I will not take either chemistry or physics next quarter. Please pay attention here. If we use either, then we should use not here. I will not. Okay, next example is that book is not interesting. That book is not accurate. How can we combine this? Besides either, we can also use this one. Neither. That book is neither interesting nor accurate. So, if either should be paired with or, and neither should be paired with nor. But both of them can be used to combine negative sentences. But if you pay attention here, we do not have not in the sentence, in the combined sentence, because it uses neither nor. But if you see this sentence, I will not take either chemistry or physics next quarter. So if you use either or, then you should put not here. Okay, next example. My sister is here. My mother is here. How should we combine them? My sister, my mother is here. We can use this. Not only my sister, but also my mother is here. If we use both, then we should use are. But if we use not only but also, it will follow the subject before or the noun before. So we use is here.